Hi everybody, and I appreciate the fact that you found our website today, hopefully through searching on Google, looking for the best SEO services, particularly the best SEO audit services in Australia, and hopefully found our page, and it's very fortunate. My name's Joe. I'm the Digital Search Group founder and CEO, and I'm here today to basically give you some insights into why we feel like we are delivering the best SEO audit service in Australia, and why you should give it a try. Ideally, we want to commit with people for other services at the same time, but as a way to basically, break the mold between yourself, the other time-wasting opportunities you've probably no doubt had that haven't been as successful as you were hoping, and us being a high-level supplier of the best SEO services that you'll find, and this is just to give you a quick indication as to why you found us. Basically, we have got here our SEO audit template. This is actually based on our own website, believe it or not, just to add some flavour to it. So what we've got here is this is digitalsearchgroup.com.au. At the moment we're auditing our own website because it's the first time we've actually spent on our own stuff for ages, and I thought it would be a good time to share. Now, the way that we break down our audits is it's really good if you have a team of people working with you, alongside you, for you, or you do it yourself. We break it down in site technology tasks, which is web development, technical related tasks normally. And next bit is site relevancy, which is your content review. We also do a backlink audit as well, because I believe the content side of things is off-site and on-site. But we'll talk more about that as we get to learn each other. And Google Search Console. Now, our technical SEO audit service works like this. Basically, we give you a summary sheet that allows you to track and assign tasks that we find to be high priority. We try our best to focus on saving you time, giving you the highest priority because of SEO win tasks, and make those the highest, I guess, on the pecking order first. So if it's low labour, high win, you'll find that we are going to add those first. But as you can see, URL structure is how it's broken down first, with all of these different tasks. For example, and again, this is not embarrassing because it's our own site. Trailing slash is the / place at the end of the URL. So trailing / you'd have a dash at the end there. The trailing / is generally used to mark a directory, and if a URL is not terminated using a trailing /, this generally points to a file, the next level down. Findings, specific findings, non-trailing / version also returns 200 error status that already contains a canonical tag referencing the canonical trailing / version. So it's actually pointing to the trailing / version, and there's a little screenshot below, and there's the recommendation. Very simple, easy. You can assign these quite simply. Assigned to, we would help you to set out and lay out ultimately assignees in a little drop down, and to be able to obviously track and assign these things. Breadcrumbs, this is in internal external linking, by the way. We're going to go through these in a lot more detail later, so just for now, quick overview. External, internal linking, and again, you've got different tasks that relate to really poignant SEO issues, JavaScript issues, custom 404 error page, soft 404 pages, broken links. Then we move on to crawlability, the bloodline of the web. If Google and other bots can't find your content, quite simply, you are in, no chance of getting any results in Google. Okay, we'll talk more about these elements as we go along. Yeah, there'll be more later. Performance, hugely important. We've got the Core Web Vitals update coming in a couple of months in May. I believe more than ever that the ability for Googlebot and obviously other upcoming search engine bots to be able to fully render and crawl your pages, your content, ultimately, is literally the bloodline of the web. Yeah, correlates to everything. Mobile speed, mobile friendliness, desktop speed, desktop friendliness, not so high priority, but still nonetheless a priority. Mobile first indexing coming soon. So site server location, it is important, but most importantly, speed. Multi-regional and multilingual markups, schema, open graph, Twitter card, call to actions, product schema, etc., etc. We cover it all, and for things like if you're a multi-regional, multilingual site, href lang markups, that sort of overarching setup can be challenging at times, but honestly, we've done it dozens of times. Give me a call. More than happy to have a look, do a live shared screen with you, and run through your own website live with never seeing it before. We can have a genuine talk about how we would help. That is the end of the site technology summary sheet. It's meaningful. Once obviously you've done a certain amount of these tasks, let us know when you feel like you've exhausted everything that you can do, and we'll basically do another crawl, and we'll update and audit the items that you've or your team have implemented, and we'll give you a status, a comment, so we can collaborate to basically make sure everything is in order. Next summary sheet is the site relevancy. Now, one doesn't work without the other, and a solid content marketing strategy to complement your technical SEO service, your technical SEO audit. It's another thing that we do very, very well here, is content marketing strategy. But relevancy in general for existing content, it's the biggest win that you can possibly have. Now, I know that my content is really not that great on our Australian site, but let's have a look at the first one. So let me just go back to, site relevancy quick. And so this is the relevancy category. We're going to go to the home page. So page relevancy determines whether a page is relevant enough for the target keywords intended. Correct placing of header, has image alt attributes, unique and well-written content, and description. So in this particular case, we've got 15 images without alt text. And you can see here we've got a breakdown of page title, we've got your description, we've got your headlines broken down here, and we've suggested basically providing more descriptive alternative text on important images such as logo and so on. Let's go back to here. Depending on our client's requirements, we're really able to help put together an all-encompassing content marketing strategy, which will help you to ultimately monitor and assign game-changing, life-changing content marketing strategies for your business. Let's move on. So, social media profiles. Hold on a sec. Hi, but it's actually Not right now. I'm going to move that to no issues. That will actually update the summary sheet, by the way. So the main summary sheet. These pie charts, these are actually illustrated as they are because they're directly linked to here. Yeah. So there we go. Meta tags. Again, there's descriptions, problems, and solutions to every single one of these. Yeah. Content, unnecessary pages can be absolutely hazardous. Yeah. Pagination. All of those internal duplicate content problems that we can come across. Thin content. So we have thin content in our site, I'm sure of it. Testimonials, yeah. So pages that suffer thin or no content can cause issues. They tend to hold little or no value for users and search engines. It's important to keep in mind that if search engine traffic is your main goal, your results will likely suffer. Since the Panda filter and basically Google taking note on affiliate marketers who were basically gaming the system with thin, little to no content, exact match domain setups, it makes sense that they would come down on that. You want to be doing meaningful strategy with exhausting every last opportunity for driving relevant and meaningful traffic before you move on to rehashing the stuff that you've done and thinking creatively about your next victim content wise. So let's go back to site relevancy. Images. So favicon we cover, alt text, file size, image file names. This is great for optimization. Yeah, I'm going to skip on for now because we've got limited time and we're going to go through these things later. So this is our Google Search Console tracker, and the insights that Google Search Console, obviously being the tool given to us from Google directly to check pain areas. It's a very, very good one to be keeping yourself accountable for as well. Yeah. So indexing, and you can see if I scroll in here or zoom in, fetching and rendering. This is ultimately telling us that Google has problems rendering and fully reading a page if there are ultimately resources stopping the bot from fully crawling everything that we need them to. And you can see hopefully here that we've actually got on our own website structured data with syntax errors, yeah, which is unpassable structured data. And what we can see on the right here is we've got refer to schema markup section. So we've given you, if you were to be using our service, a well-rounded and easy to approach solution to these problems. Yeah. And it's all broken down into the various meaningful sections, and that's really just a quick overview of our SEO audit services. Like I say, I feel we're offering something that's very, very different here. We do like to feel that we're an extension of our client's business. It's not all for us, it's all for both of us. So if you're really serious about your online presence and you want to take it to the next level, give us a call. Have a meeting with me. I don't mind at all. We will literally go through your website and no holds barred, no worries, free. Yeah, and if you don't think we're a good fit for you, at least you've hopefully got some useful information. But otherwise, everybody, thanks a lot for watching, and let's see you at the top. Cheers.